So, Xiaomi is now joining the market, I will say. I don't know if I could call it market yet because it's such a small market at this moment in time. But they're joining the market for tri-foldable phones. This is going to get interesting. So, recently reported on the channel that Huawei is actually releasing their first tri-foldable phone next month. And that's caused a lot of stir. It's like, okay, well, now Samsung's kind of being pushed for innovation here as companies are now kind of pushing the envelope down the road. It's no longer we have a regular foldable phone. Now it's a tri-foldable phone. Now, I'm not sure how much these cost to manufacture. And that's something that I really think is important to keep in mind is number one, durability. Number two, longevity. And number three, is this a gimmick or not? I mean, they do have 10-inch beautiful displays, but if they cost an arm and a leg to get, sometimes it's not worth all the hassle of actually going ahead and buying the phone. Especially when you have the Z Fold 6, it's almost perfect. You have the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold now, that's almost perfect. OnePlus Open 2 coming out January next year. It's going to be interesting. But again, unless a, international company here picks up this idea or goes after this idea, we're probably not going to see this tri-foldable phone concept in the States anytime soon. It's very possible, though, especially if this is successful, though, it would probably be 2026, 2027 before we even see one in the States. But it's possible we could see one in the next 5 years. It's just, again, there's so much that has to go down with it. And people still don't trust actual foldable phones and flippable phones. There's so many people who refuse to buy those phones because they say they're not durable enough. And now you want to add a, pun intended here, a third layer to that phone structure, and you're just going to cause even more problems, in my opinion. But I'm hoping it works out in the aspect of I love to see this industry get pushed forward, this industry kind of get more enhanced, and we get better products overall wise. But even as a tech lover, I would find it hard for myself to go after a tri-foldable phone. Just because, again, even with me knowing how durable these phones are, I've also seen the early days of the Z Fold devices and the early days of foldable, flippable phones. And if this is the beginning never looks good. It looks good after 5 or 6 generations. So that's what scares me about these. But hey, Xiaomi and Huawei are both joining the fold. The tri-fold. I'll see you guys next one. Peace.